Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to learn more stuffs about MySQL. In the previous tutorial, we have learned create, insert and select statement. Today we're going to learn update, delete and alter statement. The update statement is going to update your data, and the delete statement will delete your data from the table. And the alter statement will going to add or drop column from the table, and can also modify the column in the table. So we're going to first learn the update statement. So we're following the W3 Schools curriculum. You can also follow this curriculum to learn MySQL properly. So first we're going to learn update statement. So for that we're going to click on we're already in MySQL update section, but I'm showing you how you can find this. Where is it? Oh, here is the update section. Click on update, and this is the syntax of update statement. First write update statement, then the table name, and after that set the value you are going to set in the column name, and the value you are going to provide, and where it is going to apply the condition. This is the demonstration of that syntax. So first update statement, and customer is the table name, and set will set the value. The contact name is updating, and city is updating to Frankfurt, and where it is going to update the row where the customer ID is 1. There the contact name will be Alfred something or whatever, and city would be Frankfurt. So we are going to implement the update statement first. First update, table name, set, and the column name are the value you want to update, and where condition. So we're going to provide we're going to learn how let's open the MySQL Workbench. And the update statement will not work if you don't have any primary key in your table. So you must have a primary key into the database or in the table, then the update statement will work. Otherwise it may cause error called save mode or update save, these kinds of errors. So I'm going to provide my password here. So here we're going to update our. So first, see, in our production database we have a table name customer. See, customer has 4 data. First one is we're going to update the first one, which has customer ID 101, and the customer name is Cardinal, and city is Stavanger, country is Norway. So we're going to update customer name in the who has 101 customer ID. We're going to provide his name, and the city we're going to update this. So for updating the value, we're going to write the update statement, update, and the table name. We have production database dot customer is our table name, and then we're going to set the value. There will be our column name is customer name, so let's provide the customer name here. Our column name equal to, as the name is string, so we're going to provide it inside the quotation. So we are going to provide the name Loki. You may see the Loki season, and after that we are going to provide the city section. Let's assume Loki lives in Norway and his city is Oslo. Let's update the city, and we have updated the name and the city, and where it will update, where the customer ID is. This is our column name, customer ID C. Customer ID what? 101. So let's execute the statement. First, C update production.customers, set customer name Loki, city Oslo, and where it will update customer underscore ID 101. Let's see. Let's see if our the execution has done successfully. So we're going to see it is yes. The 101 customer ID has customer name Loki and city is Oslo. So this is the procedure how update statement works. And now we're going to learn delete statement. For delete statement, first of all, you have to be very concerned about delete statement, because if you provide delete from table name, then if you don't want to delete whole table, rather than you want to delete specific data, so you have to put the condition for that. Yes, delete from the table name and where the condition. If you don't provide the condition and just provide delete from and table name, then it will delete all the data from the table, but it will not delete the table. It will delete or erase all the data from the table if you don't provide the condition. And if you want to delete some specific data, then you have to provide delete from table name and the where statement and the condition. So we're going to implement our delete statement, delete from table name, where, and that condition. So let's see. We're going to delete first one, Loki, and don't become angry at me if your favorite character is Loki. Just doing it for the operational thing or learning stuffs. So let's delete it. Delete from the table name. Where is our what is our table name? First of all, we have to provide the database production dot customers, and then the condition for where statement for the condition. What is our customer ID? Want to delete customer ID. What is the ID? So it is going to delete our first ID, which is Loki. So let's see. Yes, it successfully deleted. And now see, we don't have the 101 ID and name city also. So this is the this is how delete statement works. Yeah, that's how. If we want to delete, we can make condition. So we can make condition by not only ID, we can make condition by name, by address, or by city also. If you want to delete or delete all the customer who has the city called Oslo, or Norway, the country called Norway. If you don't want the customer who are from Norway, then you can delete by delete from table name, and then where is equal to where, then statement would be country equal to Norway. Then all the Norwegian customer data will be erased from your data table. So it's not mandatory that you should use only ID. You can use whatever you want as for as your requirement. So this is how delete statement work. And now we're going to learn alter statement. Let's see, where is our alter? Yes, this is the alter table statement. And what does alter table do? Alter table can add column. If you have a table and you want to you don't have zip code column, so you can add zip code column by using alter table. And if you want to drop a column, let's see, you have zip code column, but you don't want that column anymore, so you can drop that zip code column by using alter table. And if you want to modify column, such as you provide zip code column as varchar data type, so you want it to be integer, so you can alter table and modify column, the column name you can provide zip code, and data type you can provide integer, but before it was varchar. And you can update the name too. As now we're going to add a column by using alter table statement. And of course you have to provide a data type also while making the column by using alter statement. So what was the statement? Alter table name, and then add column name. So alter table, so now our table name, production dot customers, and now what? Alter table customer table name, and then add, for adding the column, add. And now we can add a new column as name zip code, and of course we have to provide the data type here, so it may be, we can provide any for that. And now let's see if alter table works or not. Yes, the alter table works. And now see the rows, see the zip code is our new column inside our customer table. So all of the value is null, of course. We didn't provide any value. And if we want to modify our column data type, or modify our column, then the statement would be alter table, then table name, then modify column name, and data type. So we're going to modify zip code by using alter statement, alter table, and then our database name and table. After that we're going to modify column, will name it what? Postal code. And we can provide our previous data type was varchar, so we're going to provide it integer. We can specify the size here also. So our previous column name was zip code and now postal code, and the previous column name data type was varchar, and now data type is integer. So let's see. Let's see what is wrong. Older table reduction, customer modify column zip code integer. So let's see our data has updated or not. No, it doesn't updated because older table production.customers modify column postal code int unknown column postal code in customer. So it has to be present, so we can so let me fix that. So the solution of that problem is you can't change the name here. You have to provide the previous name, but you can change the data type here, which from our previous data type was varchar, and now we changed it to integer. So our data is already updated, and here we can see in the customer section our let's see our column. See, our zip code is integer, and yes, we have already changed our data type by using older statement, and now we're going to drop the older table. We will drop a column which we have made at last, the zip code. We will drop the zip code column. So for that you have to write older table, then the table name, after that drop column, and then the email or our zip code. So we're going to do that. So yeah, older table, and our table name is what? Production is our database name, and customer is our table name. And now we're going to drop a column, column, and the table name is what? Zip code. Let's see, is our syntax is right or not. So we're going to execute the statement. Yeah, our execution runs successfully. So we're going to see if our column exists or not. So see, look at the table, and there is now zip code column. So this is what we have learned today. So we have learned update, delete, and alter statement. Update statement, we have learned how to update the records, and the delete statement, how to delete the records by using the condition. And the alter statement, we can update we can modify column, or we can add column, and we can drop column in the table from the table. So this is what I have learned today. We will learn more steps in the upcoming tutorial, inshallah. So till then, keep learning, keep exploring, and stay safe.